Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start with the right ingredients for perfect ganache. In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate fudge ganache. You'll need 8 ounces of good quality chocolate, finely chopped, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and a small pinch of salt. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious and versatile treat. Now, let's prepare the cream. Pour your heavy cream into a small saucepan and heat it over medium heat. Watch it carefully. You want it to reach a gentle simmer, with small bubbles forming around the edges, but do not let it boil. As soon as you see those bubbles, remove the pan from the heat. This ensures the cream is perfectly hot for the next step. This is where the magic happens. Place your finely chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Pour the hot cream directly over the chocolate. Now, resist the urge to stir immediately. Let the mixture sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. This allows the heat from the cream to melt the chocolate thoroughly. After 5 minutes, gently stir from the center outwards until smooth. For that extra touch of richness and a beautiful sheen, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter to your warm ganache. Stir gently until the butter is completely melted and incorporated. You'll notice the ganache becoming even glossier and smoother. Let it cool slightly to reach your desired consistency for drizzling, frosting, or dipping. Enjoy your homemade fudge ganache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.